Are you tired of manually typing every event from another calendar? Learn to import a Google Calendar in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through the exact steps. Access Settings, find Import, upload your file, and confirm. Let's go. Start by clicking the gear icon in the bottom left corner to open the Settings menu. Then select Settings from the drop-down that appears. Now, in the left sidebar, click on Import and Export to access the import options. Click the Select File from your computer button to upload your calendar file. Once the file is selected, click the Import button to start the process. Finally, click OK on the confirmation dialog to finish importing. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.